is data types, right? There are four main data types: um, string, integer, float, and boolean. So these are the four main data types in Python, and we have seen the example for integer, float, boolean, and in last class we have started working on that string part or string manipulation, and we have also seen how we can chat with Olama model. One of the Olama model means we try to install the Olama model and see how we can interact Olama through program through Python script. Okay, so we will continue with that string part. Okay, so in a string, so let's say, so this is a Python notebook, and here I have selected kernel. You can select any kernel. Let's say I have selected base environment, and so in a string, let's say there are some syntax for lower, upper, title, and capitalized. Capitalized. Okay, so lower is basically we can see through notebook only. So let's say if this is the word, okay, maybe I can. So let's say explain Python to me is stored inside a user input, and if I have to lower it to small case, okay, uh, then user input dot lower. So what it will do, it will print this, all these thing explain Python to me are in capital letter, right? So if you want to lower the letter, so we can use the syntax user input dot lower. Okay, similarly, just a minute. Now let's say if I write uh, mm, anything, let's say uh, test equal to my name is, okay, and I want to capitalized all the letters. Okay, so in this M is in capital. Maybe we can put M also in is small. And let's say if you want to make all the letter in capital. Okay, so you can simply use the command or syntax testware dot upper. Uh, First you have to run this, then so here all the letters now are in capital. Let's say if I put one of the letter in capitals here, my name is, will see what happen. So now first letter is capital for first word, then for second word also first letter is capital, but so it is basically a mix of capital and a small letter. So now let's say again it convert into all the letter into capital. So either it can be small or capital. But if we run this syntax dot upper, it will capitalize all the letters. Okay. Even if you run for this one user input, here all are capital. For that also it will be same. Okay. If I run this dot upper, so this is for if you write any string and you want to make it in capital, you can do through this syntax. Okay. Now let's say if I take some another example, country, and okay, uh, in India is a big country, and let's say if I simply country dot, let's see, use this syntax title. Okay. See, so if I use the syntax dot title, okay, so it will make first letter of every word capital. Okay, see, India is a, so this is mainly if you have to convert any syntax and you want to make it as a title. So this syntax you can use dot title. Okay, and now let's say uh, yeah. Okay, then let's say run this variable, and if I use the syntax capitalize dot capitalize, so it will uh, basically make capital letter of first word of that sentence. Okay, so here the first word is explain and first letter is E. So it will make that thing as a capital and remaining as a small. So here if you see to and me, in that also it was T, capital T and capital M, but when we use this syntax, it will basically uh, change all the letters to small except the first letter. So first letter it make it as a capital letter. Okay, so this is for uh, making the first word as in capital letter. Okay, so again if we see, so dot lower, it will basically make all the letter in small. Okay, so here it was all letter was in capital, so if you use lower it will make it in a small. Upper, uh, it will make all the letter capital. Title, it will make the first letter of each word in capital. And capitalize, it will convert all letter to small except the first letter, that it will make it as a in capital letter. Okay, so this is sometimes useful when you, let's say if someone writing their name in a small letter. Okay, and you want to make it as a title, so that first letter of, let's say if I write any name, maybe Bipin Kumar, so in that if I write all the things are in small, and if I use the title syntax, it will make the first letter uh, of each word as a capital. There you can use. And similarly, most of the times when we write any prompt, we want to make it in lowercase. Okay, so we will uh, maybe we can use a dot lower, so it will make all the things are in uh, small case. Okay, so these are four syntax for basically converting to lowercase or uppercase based on the word that we use. Okay, next is a strip. So strip is mainly used for uh, dividing or breaking the word. Okay, um, it can remove the white space. Okay, and just a minute. Sorry. So strip is mainly used for removing the white space. Okay. So this, if I see the first sentence, okay, here, let's say, explain AI concept slash n slash t. Slash n means new line and slash t means tab. Okay. So let's say this was the messy prompt, so explain AI concept and slash n slash t. Okay. And if uh, if I use the dot strip command or syntax, and let's say if I want to clean underscore prompt, first we have to run this. Yeah, see, so it is slash n means new line and slash t means tab. Okay, so these are basically white space, right? And if you see before explain also, this is the space, three dot, if you are seeing light three dot, so this is basically representing space. Before explain, there is a space, so if you want to remove the space, then we can use dot strip. Okay, and let's say again if I use and mm, let's say here if I use L strip. Okay, so same thing except strip, I have used L strip. See what happened. Okay, so L strip, L for left. So basically it removed the white space from left side. So let's say if you want to remove, this is also a white space. Slash n slash t is not a word. So this is basically if you write or see any output in Python for a string, for representing new line, they use a slash n, and slash t is a tab. Okay, so yeah, so this slash new line and tab both representing space, right? So yeah, so for is if you use a strip, it will remove the white space. Okay, so just let's say if you want to remove this side of his white space, you can use a L strip, and let's see whether R strip work or not. So let's say if I use R, okay, and again run. Okay, yeah. So now this right side space totally removed. Okay, see, so the left side space is there, but if you use a R strip, it will remove the right side of space. And if you want to remove both side white space, we can simply use a strip. So this is for strip command is mainly used for removing the white space. Okay. Now let's say this is for next thing is about finding anything in string. Okay. So okay. So let's say this is a text. Okay. And Python is a great for machine learning and AI development. Okay. And this is inside stored inside a text variable. Let's say if I want to see uh, whether Python is present inside a text or not. So for that there is a command. So let's say if I write Python, okay, in text. Okay. So Python in text, just to find whether Python is present in Python word is present inside a text or not. So simply you can write this command Python in text. So it will throw either true or false. See, so here Python was present. So because of that, it returned true. Okay. Let's say if you see here, if I ask Java in text, okay. Uh, and again, if I rerun this thing, so uh, it should throw false because Java is not present in text. See, okay. Any word you can. So let's say if you have a uh, long sentence, okay. Let's say if you have 100 line of anything, and you want to basically search, okay, this letter or this word is present in that syntax or in that variable or not, you can simply use this command. So it will throw whether that is present or not. Okay. Let's take one more example. So let's say since AI is there, and if we simply use a AI in text, okay, so it will return true. Let's say if I want to use a two word, okay, and here if I machine learning in text, okay, so if I run, see, so any number of word you can try to match, okay, but machine learning and if I write AI, so machine learning and AI is there, but if I let's say machine learning and AI, I haven't mentioned here, and so it should return false. Let's see, yeah. So it will only return means if proper matching is there or not, then only it will return true if that is there in that text variable. Okay, so this is for finding okay whether that thing is present or not. Let's say I want to match Python. Okay, let's say Python. So this is a if I will run this thing, it should throw false. Why? Because here Python in Python P is capital, here in Python P is small. Okay, so this is a case sensitive as well. Okay, so it will see whether it will try to match the uh, uh, whether that is uppercase or lowercase. So it is a case sensitive. Okay, so let's say if I have to match, if I want to I know that, okay, Python can be uh, small or uppercase or capital. So for that, what I can do, uh, so simply I can use this thing, Control X dot lower or Python dot lower in text. Still not okay. Sorry, Python dot uh, what syntax we can use? Lower, what it will do? It will do. Uh, Python is already in lowercase. So let's say if I have a four syntax: capitalize, lower, upper, and title. Which one should I use? Anyone?
Capitalize.
Yeah,
Capitalize.
correct. Capitalize. Let me check. You don't have to remember any syntax, right? Uh, just you should know, okay, these are the things, because if you search anything, you can easily get, okay. See, now that is a true. Okay. So this is for finding anything. So this is one of the way to find. So Python in text, one more syntax. Let's say if you have to find position, means position means let's see through one example. Let's say text dot find machine. See what happens. So it's telling the position. Okay. So Python start from, let's say if I want to see the length of text. Okay. So this len, it is mainly used for length, finding the length of that text. Okay. So what 55 represent? So if you basically each letter, so this Python is a one. Why? So if you count all the letters and space as well, okay, so it will come around 55. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I want to see the text dot find age, so it come around 7. Okay, so Python start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then space, and then I is start from 7th position. Okay, let's say I is on 7th, S is on 8, then space 9. Grade should be come around 10. Let's check grade. See 10. Okay, so we can see in what position that text is there. So for finding the position, we can simply use text dot find. Let's say if I uh, use something that is not there. Okay, Java. See what happened. So text dot find Java. It is not there. So -1 basically representing the text is not there. Okay, and it is at position, means uh, this start from 0 and go till last. And uh, in Python, indexing is basically a position number. So let's say p index is 0 if we see it from this side, left side, and if we see it from right side, it will be -1. See here, -1 basically represent not found. Okay. And also we can, let's say if you want to count. So in text, let's say if you want to count letter A, how many times letter A appears? Okay. So simply text dot count. So A appears 4 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also a case sensitive. Okay. Let's say if I put capital A. So capital A comes only 1 times. Okay. Now one more command. So let's say in Python, let's say if I write. Okay. So I want to know whether, let's say this is a sentence. Okay. And I want to know, okay, whether that sentence start from Python or not. For that also there is a command. So text dot starts with Python. So it should throw true. So let's say if I simply put Java, so it will throw false. So this is for knowing whether the text is start from that particular thing or not. Just to check those things, we can use start with. Similarly for and also there is a command ends with. Okay. Yeah, development. So if I run this thing, so that will also throw true because this sentence end with development. Let's say if I put some space, okay, and let's say again rerun this variable and again try to see whether it return true or false. So now it false. Why? Because there is a white space here. Okay. So one thing that need to be remember that all those syntax are case sensitive. That case sensitive means it differentiate between lowercase and uppercase. It will not treat both the thing as a same, and also it take account for white space. If you put any space, that also it will see at it as a one thing. Okay, because when you find the length, it will count space as also one thing. Okay. Uh, so let's say in any variable, even in a string, so you can enter empty string as well. See, you don't have to write any word if we have to create a variable. It will treat space as also means it store space also in variable, but inside a string means the inverted code. Okay. So this is for finding anything. Okay. Next is splitting. Okay. So let's say you want to split it. From the name also you can understand what its functionality is. So let's say if sentence is a variable and you want to split it. So if you split this sentence, so it will break. Right now all Python is amazing for AI come under single string code. Okay, so there is starting is inverted code and at end. But if you break or if you want to split, so if you use a split command, then see everything. Right now there is a one string sentence, So it convert into a 5 separate string. Okay. So this is for sentence dot split. Now let's see this one, columns. So here name, age, skill, experience. Okay. So here the split is based on that here comma. Okay. Let's say it is not based on word. So let's say the name is I write, and so if I again rerun this one, so see it is based, the split is based on the comma. Okay, so after name is, earlier it was based on word, so here there was no comma, and name dot split, and simply we put empty bracket, and if we run this one, so split was on Python as a 1, then is as 1, amazing as 1, 4, and then AI. But here if we use the same command, except now we have used this thing. So this is mainly telling the split thing or split syntax that now separate by seeing the comma. Okay, so let's say name is, then comma is there, right? Then age, then comma, skill, then comma. So this is how it is splitting. Let's say if I split by dot C, and if I use here maybe dot, see whether it, yeah. So now uh, so this, it take it as a one word, means one thing. uh, so now it is split into a two part only. Okay, because only one dot is there, so left part is this one and right part is this one. So this is how you can split by a comma or dot. Sometimes let's say if you have a for example uh, let's say my name is Nitin. I love pitching. Okay, see, so there is a basically a this is a sentence. Okay, so this is one sentence and this is a second sentence. Okay, and both are separated by dot, means the first sentence get completed and then we put full stop, then again this one. So let's say if you want to split both the sentence, there are two sentence, so for that if you use a dot split and put dot, then it will be helpful. See, my name is Bipin is a one word, and then other is a I love teaching. Okay, so this is for split. This I already have some. Okay, so next is a join. So in Python, one good thing is like from name only you get some idea, maybe that okay, split will so split is basically splitting the sentence or character inside that, and that strip is removing the white space, then capitalize, lower, title. So these are like common language, right? So in that way Python is very friendly. Okay, next is a join. Yeah, so let's say in words, this is total 4 word, right? And if I want to join, so this is basically a list. Mm, I will tell you what is list and tuples, but just for now, let's say word is a variable, and inside that there is a square bracket and 4 things are there. AI is transforming technology, and all are separate. Let's say if you want to first, let's say run this thing, and we want to join. So for joining, sentence. Okay. So for joining, this is the syntax. So now it basically join all those things. Earlier it was separate. Then with the help of join syntax, you can join the all the words. Okay. See. Now earlier I have put it control Z. See the difference. So let's say run this one first. Okay. So and now I have just removed there was a space between inverted column. Okay. So this is the output that I got. When I remove the white space, this is the output that I am getting. Okay. Let's try one more thing. Let's try to put something. Okay. Let's see what happens. See. So this is you can use any character, maybe star also. Let's say try. See. This is the output that we are getting. Okay. Okay, we already use separator. Maybe we can use this one as well. Slash m, and okay. Now print.
Hello, sir.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you print, so slash n basically representing new line. Okay. So earlier all was in same line. When we print, when you use print function, then it recognizes slash n as a if you put anything um, in any word, if you use a slash, then it has some meaning. Okay, it will not treat it as a word. Okay, let's say slash n slash t. See, so this is a tab, right? Means when you write anything, and in word also, word document also, if you write and enter and then uh, press tab, it will basically give one extra space. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that you are telling something.
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask if we can use the inverted comma inside. I mean, can we join these using inverted comma? So then, in that case, we will write inverted comma inside inverted comma. That is also possible, right?
You can try. I haven't tried it. Let's say we can try. This you want to
Yes.
try? Okay. But
Yeah.
see,
Basically, I want to replace the star with inverted comma.
mm, this one, which one?
Yeah. Yeah. In any of those, if you
Let's say
replace.
again we can try with new one. Okay, now tell.
Okay. Yes, just keep here inverted comma
Huh?
between the inverted commas. Yeah, inverted comma between the inverted commas. Yeah,
This
yeah, yeah. This only.
this will work. See.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Mm, mm. Yeah. Now, next thing is, let's say if you want to replace anything. Okay. Good. So this can be useful. Let's say you have written something. Okay, template. You have created one template variable and hello name, welcome to course. Okay. So let's say if anyone write their name, means this is like a fill in the blanks. Okay, name course, but this is not a variable. Okay, this is so if you have to replace any string, maybe it can be confusing. Let's remove this course. Let's say, and let's say template dot replace. Okay, and mm, and want to replace with name with. So see what happens. Yeah. So now it basically replace name with Sara. Okay. So you can replace any word as well. Similarly, you can, let's say, if you want to replace the Python also. Do that. Say see, this replaces this one. Okay, Python for AI. Maybe one more. Yeah. So here there are multiple Python, right? In this example. So 3 times Python is there and it replaces all with AI. And this is stored in updated. One more thing that you can notice here, uh, when you use this template dot replace, okay, so let's say again rerun the thing. So first this one, you have replaced name with Sarah. Okay, and then again in second cell, let's say here, if you see, earlier it replaced the Sarah, but when you again run the program, it the same original hello name comes. Okay, and this welcome to Python for AI. Okay, it replaces course to Python for AI. Okay, so it's not changing the variable. Okay, if you have to means it's not overwriting the thing. Okay, you can see in output, but you that template variable, if I again let's say simply see what is inside template variable. So template variable remains same. Okay, hello name, welcome to course. It doesn't change if you use a template dot replace. So how to store the changes? So you need to create some other variable. For example, let's say output. Okay. So now if I use template dot replace and store it in output, and if I print the output, this should have changes. Yeah. Hello, Sarah. Welcome to course. Okay.
Sir, one
So,
question.
haha.
Sir, if suppose if we use the same name, I mean, instead of output, we write template only, then will it work?
Mm, when not getting.
I mean, here you have used another variable named with output. If we replace it with template only, I mean, template equal to template dot replace, then
But
will it work?
it should. Let's check. Let's again read on the thing. Template. Yeah, this will work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So these are the mainly syntax for uh, string manipulation. Okay. Mainly. So one thing that need to keep in mind, you don't have to remember any syntax. Okay. In Google, you can easily get any syntax if you write. If I have to replace what Python syntax should I use, it will give the answer. Okay. So only thing that you need to remember is, okay, these things are possible in Python. Okay, if you have to capitalize, lowercase, uppercase, finding, length, all these things are possible in Python. So best way to learn this thing through practice. So try to practice as much as possible, and all this comes by doing. Now you are learning, and if you see, it looks very easy, and it is easy only when you do practice in your own notebook and write code. So that is the best way to learn Python. Okay, or Gen A also. Yeah. One update that I want to give, yesterday only, that gamma gamma 3 new light model came. So that is a 270 million. So earlier, means in last class also I have shown you. So it start from 1 billion, right? 1 billion, 4 billion, 12 billion, 27. Yesterday only they updated and they released the lighter version. So this model even run in, it can run, this LLM model can run in mobile as well. So the GPU is very less GPU is required for running this one. So you can try with this as well. So simply you can go to Gammon 3 270 million and simply copy this command. Okay, copy, and in your terminal or VS Code terminal or anything, simply I have already installed. Uh, so this you can try, and it will ask, let's say, what is the mm, uh, n, what is, let's say, 10 factorial. Yes. See that. So this is the output that we can get. Okay, so this will be very fast because this is a 270 million parameter, and um, I think in most of the use cases for just for learning, you can use this model. Okay. Um, Anyone having any doubt? Any string or anything like Olama installing or how to execute program in your notebook through Olama? Tell me about string operation in Python. Tell me about string Operations example. So since this is a very light model, so it can throw many times, it can hallucinate. Okay. See, it there is no sense of creating new variable. We are not asking that question, right? So you can simply put control D. It's not okay. Yeah. So it can be, sometimes it can be in a loop. It will continuously generate and generate, but you can use it for learning purpose because this will be very fast. Yeah. Any question, anyone? Chirantan?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt, any problem that you are facing?
Uh, when I Ollama install,
So have you installed or not yet?
no, I don't attend this class.
Okay. Uh, so try to download it from the website. Uh, and also I have shared the recording
Yes,
of
yes,
the last two classes. Um, anyone haven't received or
yes, yes,
not
receive.
received, na? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, that YouTube link you have shared, that one only.
Yes, yes.
Private.
It's private and cannot see like.
This will the email ID that you have shared, na? From that only it will open.
Okay, okay, got it.
It is not for public, means
Okay,
for
okay,
you people only it will open. For other it will not open. So in your
okay,
browser, log in the YouTube channel through your mail ID. Okay.
okay,
And if then also if you face problem, let me know. I will
okay,
let.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So all the classes will be on that YouTube channel only. Okay. So yeah. Any other doubt?
Um, Sir, actually, I also installed Olama, but I did not configured it in the terminal. Actually that day there was some network issue. That's why I couldn't. And now I am in home, so in my laptop I'm not having VS Code. Today I'm running codes in Replit. So once I'll get back, go back, I'll try it, and then if I come across any doubt, I'll let you know.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Uh, start using means the thing that I share in class na means like Olama all those things. So because in Gen AI main purpose is to run the LLM model. So these are LLM model. Okay. So Python is just for interacting with those LLM model and how to program get the output means through LLM model how we can chat and how we can use the output. Okay. So for that only Python is very helpful and also integrating with let's say if you are want to create any system or any application through LLM. So for that Python is very helpful. So I do not want to basically first let's say if I teach all the Python then I do not want to start after only teaching. I want to get some flavor of LLM now only. It is not only after okay the Python class and then we will start. We will start after that also, but slowly I want to you to have get some hands-on. how we can interact with those model. Only the thing that I tell you in the class, just try to replicate those things. Okay. You don't have to do anything extra, and do not try to see. That is my suggestion. Um, do not try to see any other class in YouTube about Python or LLM. Otherwise, you may be in trouble. You will get confused, and you may lose the interest as well. You can see those class only. Let's say if I finish my class Python and this um, LangChain, all those things, then you can see the other YouTube channel or any things that you want to see. But try to avoid as much as possible. Only when you get confident, okay, this thing I know now, I'm feeling some confidence. Then if you want to learn something extra on that, then you can go through other YouTube channel. Okay, try to make it simple and do only the things that I taught you in the class. Okay, do not try to uh, see or try to read from 10 different or different source of uh, Python. Okay, or any GenAI thing. Only you get some expertise, then you try to see other videos. Okay. Yeah. So that's my humble suggestion on that. Yeah. Anything else or any other doubt or any fear?
So when you are just a little time, just
ठीक है, ये हम लोग का assignment है, ठीक है?
hello.
So, sorry. हाँ. Can you come again?
Whenever
You are
possible, just repeat the previous class, like how to push the code into get that push command you have said previously, which we didn't. Yeah, just repeat it once if possible anytime, like whenever we want to push any code like that.
okay. So you are not able to push your code.
Yes,
That
yes, and mean the steps like first of all we should create that folder in the normal the steps to push and commit. I have already integrated GitHub, but this push and commit I'm getting a little problem and doubt.
okay. So you can share your screen right
Okay,
now if you want.
okay, okay.
Okay, so this control D, right, in terminal control D, just to stop the Ulama thing, you control plus D. Yeah. And you have, can you open your GitHub account where you have, those already have done this step. If they want, they can leave.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so have you created any repo? No, this you have created. Okay, okay. Go to code, right, green one. That's SSH and copy it. Now go to terminal. Uh, write ls cd cd space dot again write ls Okay, then put git clone and space. No. Then paste that one that you have copied. Enter. Okay, now copy the files that are present, that python.ipynb where you stored, na? Maybe you can go to directories or the folder. Mm, which this one, So yeah, let's copy this one. Yeah, which file you have created? That .ipynb file was there, na? Where it was?
I think this one only.
Okay, just okay. Copy this one.
This one only.
Copy this one and
Yeah, copied.
then paste it in that new folder that you have. Yes, here one. Paste it. Yeah. Now go to VS Code. Uh, in left upper corner, file. Yeah. Open folder and yeah. Select this one. Select folder. Save. Save. Yes, I trust. Uh, uh, Go to right side. Right. Second window. Yeah. Go to terminal now. Yeah. And again go to right. There three window na. Right side. Upper side. No. More. There are three window na that you have clicked just now for terminal. Not here. One more step above. No. Upper side. Right top corner. There is still there is a upper na. Not these three dot. There is a yes. Not there. Up above. There is a three window. Right side. Last window. Click this one. Yeah. Now again come back to terminal. Now write git space add space dot. Enter. Git commit space -am space inverted column. No. For string वाला जो है ना. Updated. Simply write updated code. Yeah. Enter. Git push. sh. Enter. Yeah. Now go back to your GitHub account. reload. See, it came, right? So the first step is to create a repo here, then clone it. Okay, that is not problem. Okay, you haven't saved that earlier, so because of that it was not there. So
when now if we write any code here, and then again we have to follow this get push command. Only what commands we have to follow? If we write something like
again you have to add, commit, push, 3 command.
okay, for example, if I write like this, hello,
Print 2
now I have to
plus
push it.
control save. That dot is there, no white dot in Python file. If you see, right, there is a dot. No, not here. In generate, after generate, there is about Python dot ipynb name is there, right?
Yeah.
There is a white dot. If you see, just control S. If you do, na, it will go out. Press control plus S. Now it will go out, right? That means the file gets saved. Now again, follow the same step.
Like get push.
Git add
Dot.
Then again enter. Use there is a arrow button right side, right, in your keyboard. Arrow button. Yes. Again pull git commit wala. Again enter. Then git push. Enter. Yeah. Now it will come out. Check. Reload.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So any other doubt? Anyone? Okay. Okay. Thanks everyone. Happy Janmashtami.
Thank you, sir.
To all of you. Yeah. Thanks.
To you also.
Happy Janmashtami, sir. Thank you.
Thanks everyone.